application, it's Plants vs. Zombies. Sa isang escape room sa Quezon City, it's going to be Mars vs. Zombies.
Nakakatakot yan, Mars, ang kanilang pagtatagpon. Nakuhaan natin at kasama dyan ang isa nating kapuso. Kamusta ka naman dyan, Mars?
Mga kumars! Mars Camps at Suzy! Nako, sa lahat ng nakatutok, hindi ko alam kung ikatutuwa ko to, pero meron akong date ngayon. Dito sa isang kwarto. 30 minutes kasama ang mga zombie. Yan ang adventure na haharapin ko ngayon dito sa Breakout Philippines!
To register kasi, you have to go online. So, it's www.breakout.com.ph.
Yes, Mami!
Pag naka-reserve na kayo, just punta lang kayo dito on your designated time slot, and then we'll check on our list. Tapos after that, we'll have the pre-game briefing, and then after pre-game briefing, you'll be trapped in here sa zombie room for 30 minutes, and then you have to look for puzzles, solve clues, and then find your way out. Basically, there's no actual prize, but then the prize is the experience itself and also the bragging rights na nakalabas kayo ng Breakout Zombie Room. Kasi hindi naman ganun kabilis naka-breakout. And at the same time, we'll post your pictures on our Facebook. So, everyone would see na nakalabas kayo.
Well, 30 minutes talaga yung time limit na meron kayo for the zombie room here at Trinoma. Pero kung kaya nyo, mga 15 minutes matapos nyo, why not? Pwede rin. Pero so far, yung mga nakakalabas, I think yung pinakamabilis mga around 20 minutes.
So, our maximum is at 6 players, but then you can play minimum 2. Pwede rin kayong mag-isa lang if brave kayo and tingin nyo kaya nyo mag-isa lang kayo. Pero at averagely, it's 2 to 6 players. Actually, there's no age limit as well. Kasi before we'd had players na at least mga 5 years old na. Tapos we also had senior citizens. So, nag-enjoy sila. So, it's a family affair din eh. So, bata, matanda, okay lang din. Kumars, we're inviting you to play the zombie room here at Breakout at Trinoma. And you can visit our Facebook and website.
So, our Facebook page is Breakout Philippines. Tapos, pwede rin kayo pumunta sa website namin, www.breakout.com.ph. Kapag may Twitter kayo, pwede rin kayo mag-visit sa Twitter namin, Breakout PH, and Instagram, Breakout PH.
Mga Mars, nakakatakot talaga, kakaiba yung experience dito. Kaya i-try nyo rin to. I'm Colleen Perez at ito ang unforgettable experience ko dito sa Breakout Philippines!